We're going to explain the WebDriver object has no attribute findelementbyname error in Python Selenium. This error pops up when you try to locate a web element using findelementbyname, which is incorrect. Selenium's Python binding uses findElement methods with different locator strategies. The correct method is case-sensitive and uses camel case, not all lowercase. 1. The most common cause is a simple typo. Instead of findelementbyname, you should use findelementbyname. Notice the underscore between element and by and the correct casing. This method searches for an element based on its HTML name attribute. For example, if you have an input field like input type text name username, you'd locate it using driver findelementbyname username. 2. Another potential reason might be that you are not correctly importing the WebDriver class. Ensure you have from Selenium import WebDriver at the beginning of your script. Incorrect imports can lead to unexpected behavior and errors. It's vital to double-check that Selenium is correctly installed in your Python environment. If you are unsure, try reinstalling it using pip install Selenium. 3. Verify that the element you're trying to find actually exists on the web page and that it has a name attribute. Inspect the page's source code using your browser's developer tools, usually accessed by pressing F12. Make sure that the name attribute matches exactly what you're using in your Selenium script. If the element is using id, class, XPath, or CSS selector, you'll need to use the appropriate findElementById, findElementByClassName, findElementByXPath, or findElementByCSS selector methods respectively. 4. It's also good practice to use explicit waits. This will prevent your script from throwing a no such element exception if the element hasn't loaded yet. You can use the WebDriver wait class from Selenium's expected conditions module to wait for the element to be present or clickable before interacting with it. Example, from Selenium. WebDriver. Support, import WebDriver. Wait, from Selenium.WebDriver. Support, import expected conditions as EC. Then, you can implement a wait like this. Element allo WebDriver WebDriver 10 until EC presence of element located by name username. 5. Finally, always check your error messages carefully. The error message itself often provides valuable clues about the problem's location and cause. Carefully review the stack trace provided to pinpoint the exact line of code causing the issue and the context surrounding it. By meticulously checking your code and using the debugging techniques mentioned above, you should be able to resolve the WebDriver object has no attribute findelementbyname error and locate web elements successfully within your Selenium tests.